Okay, opening the cabin. First step is to clear out the corner, remove all the winter stuff in the generator, move it into the center of the garage. Step 2 is to collect the doors. Take the 2 on the back deck through the house and move them to the front. Remove the doors from the French doors. We then use the truck to lower them down. You can carry them all down to the garage, but we find that stacking them in the truck is easier. Once they're all down, we take them and stack them in the garage. The ceiling there is a little low, so you have to bring them in and then turn them upright instead of just carrying them in always. We then collect all the windows. For the 3 windows in this corner, it's easiest to use the truck as something to stand on. We go through, remove all the windows, and stack them in order so that we can also unload them in order. Uncover the window wells. The boards for these go underneath the back deck. When you're stacking these in the garage, just make sure they're going in order so that when we go to close the cabin in the fall, we can take them out in order and stick them in their appropriate places. Turning on the water. Start by closing everything. We start upstairs, turn the faucets off, the sinks off, the showers, the toilets. Make sure everything is closed. There are a hose bib and a line in the hot tub room. Also make sure those are closed, even though they normally always are. Next, go downstairs and close all the drains and toilets and sink lines, showers, everything downstairs. Next, go outside, close the hose bibs. There's one on the front, back, and side of the house. Then go to the manifold room and close everything in the manifold room. Then we take the key and we go out to the pipes. The white tube is for the drain, the green tube is for the water. Make sure that when you put those caps back on, you put them on extremely loose. When you're turning the key, make sure it's all the way at the base so that when you turn it, you don't risk breaking it. After we've turned on the water and closed the drain, we come inside and start opening the manifold one by one, listening for leaks. Then walk through the cabin and make sure there are no leaks. And you're done.